We are going to see Miss Keetra. She's in Smyrna.
Oh, okay.
She has raised her kids. She's had 2 boys, and they've lived in this house for almost 30 years.
Oh, wow.
Now she's saying, I could just do whatever. Whether that means staying in my house and doing a complete remodel, or if that means I ditch it and go get a luxury condo in the city. If she wants to remodel, she has a budget of $60,000. But since her house is paid off, she might really be able to get something fantastic instead.
Okay.
So we're really just gonna go talk to her and see how she's feeling, try to figure out what path we should take.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello, hello.
It's good to finally meet you.
I'm Andre. I'm my son.
Oh,
All
okay.
right, Mike, how are you?
How's it going?
I've been living here in this home for like 30 years. My sons grew up in this home, but I'm getting where I need to expand my wings a little bit. I'm going to the next season, and that season is no kids, only grandkids when I want them, and travel as much as possible. Let me show you around.
The house is lovely.
Thank you so much.
And you've been here 30 years?
I've been here a long time.
Wow.
You've got a lot of history here.
Oh, yes, definitely. And I love Smyrna.
Okay.
It's close to my sister. I'm a member of a wine club nearby, and I just love the area.
According to the floor plan you sent me, this is a split-level house. Upstairs, we have a dining room, a kitchen, a living room, and 2 bedrooms. Downstairs, you have a family room and another bedroom. I know when we talked on the phone, you kind of gave me the, I'm done, I'm raising my kids, I'm ready to go. But is she ready to go?
She's not leaving. Nobody wants her to leave. This is a great neighborhood, and she's close to her sister. I don't think she's...
So she's not leaving because you don't want to leave?
You know,
Or you think she doesn't want to leave?
A little bit of both.
if I were to stay here, some of the things I would like to have is I want a more open concept. I would like to have a larger kitchen and an island in my kitchen. Oh, no carpet. I need that all gone. And that's really it.
Exactly. That's very easy to get done. So you don't have to leave then.
Let's start here. My dining room is outdated now. So I have mirrors on the wall, lighting here.
20-something years ago, that was the thing.
It was.
That was the trend.
But we do have a lot of parties and events here. This is my living room that I never use.
Okay.
There's no TV here. You can't see what's going on in the kitchen.
Right.
I spend a lot of time in the kitchen. There's a lot of things I need to change in here. The floor,
Okay.
It's not working
the
for you.
cabinets. I want this open up to the living room. When I have like a lot of events here, I'm cooking all the time, right? And people are in there, they're there, and I can't communicate.
Okay, so what do you think about taking down the wall between the kitchen and the dining room to really open that up, and also taking down this wall behind us so that you have one gigantic kitchen area?
That's what I want.
Let's think about it. Show us the rest then.
Yes.
This used to be my son's bedroom. Now it's the grandchildren's bedroom.
Okay, it's a nice size.
Got it. Okay.
So far, we're really only spending money in the kitchen and changing floors.
Yes.
Okay,
Well, we all taking out some walls.
that's true.
Okay, this is my guest bathroom. I would like to upgrade my tub, vanity, and I need lights.
Fair enough. Okay, take us downstairs to see the family room. Oh, this is
Okay.
it. This is it.
Oh, so this is the after party.
That's right.
Got it.
Well, all right, let me have a
Got
seat
it.
here. Let's just take this in. So let's see. Just to reconfirm, you said if you stayed and renovated, you had a budget of about $60,000. $60,000 is a lot of money. But when you start talking about redoing an entire kitchen, removing walls, doing the floors and the bathroom, it gets eaten up very fast. There is a skinny way to do it to attack as much as possible. So what I would want to know is it more about the quantity, doing the entire space you showed us upstairs, or the quality? Like you want a higher grade, magazine-ready kitchen.
Can I have both?
You know what? You work hard and raise 2 kids. You can have both.
Just to give you an idea, the easy on the pocket way would be around 50,000, and the magazine ready way would be closer to 70, 75K. But if we budget right, I think we could get you almost everything you want for around 60,000.
Let him work on the numbers.
Okay.
And let me just show you
Okay.
what other options you have in life right now. I hear the deep breath
He just
behind.
wants me to stay here.
I think I should come along just to make sure she doesn't pick the property.
The girls Her son just wants mom to stay where mom has always been.
Inevitable.
Come on, that's not fair. Mom deserves to get her life too. She's done her job. Let her go and live in her fancy, luxurious townhome and fly away on the weekends. You know what I mean?
Take this house right here and make it fancy and she can stay right here.
But it should be her decision. I really feel this is the perfect client to show a townhome to. She's transitioning into a new chapter of her life. It's just her. She probably wants this maintenance-free life where she can get up and go.
The only thing that comes to mind when I think about townhome is split levels or 2 levels. I would think at her age she would want 1 level.
She's so dope, she'll fly to the top.
What
Hi,
up?
guys.
Hello. Styling on them. Good to see you.
Good to see you guys.
Good to see you.
Townhomes.
All right.
No maintenance.
Okay.
Smyrna.
All right.
Close to your sister. Close to your wine club.
Sounds good.
Come on, I can't wait to show you this.
Okay.
Come on in.
Oh, I like the floor color. This is nice.
So this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome. It has a wide open floor plan just like you wanted. On this level, we have a kitchen, dining room, family room, and a half bath. Then upstairs, you have all 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. You like it? White kitchen, light counters, open concept, which is what you wanted to accomplish if you stayed in your own house.
Yeah.
It's already done for you. How does this feel?
I like this a lot.
So is this the kitchen style you were looking for with the long island in the middle?
Yes, and
Yeah.
I wanted seating here at the bar, so that's good as well.
It's okay.
White countertops like I like.
What'd you say, Andre?
Oh, I didn't say nothing.
Then come on in this way.
Okay.
To the dining area. With this, look, you could even put a longer table. And no matter where you are, everything intercommunicates for
I like
entertainment.
it. It'll be great when I have my family over, and when I have my parties or events. I do like that. It's all connected.
And I was
And no
looking-
tearing down any walls, Andre.
No work, no renovation. Just move right on in. Let's go to the top and see the primary suite.
I like this. This is a nice size too. And this is the primary suite. I like the white countertops.
It's a little tight, isn't it?
Oh, let me show you one of the other bedrooms. Look how big that is.
Oh, yeah,
There you
this
go,
is
Andre,
a nice
room for you.
size. Andre, you can sleep in this bedroom when you come visit me.
I mean,
Oh, you're a
I kind of like the room you already have. But
I know that Andre's impression, his opinion, is gonna weigh heavily on Keitra.
Yeah.
I know because I'm a mom. You know, your kids just kind of got you wrapped.
I get it. I get it. But you've done your job. Just lay everything out and let them decide. Right?
Detach. So let's just recount what the charge is.
Okay.
You have a gorgeous home. Has a lot of memories for you. You're perfectly happy to stay, but in doing so, you're gonna spend $50,000, $60,000 in renovating
That's
it.
a lot.
Now, when I looked at the comparables, if we put your house on the market as is, no renovations right now, we could put it on for $450,000, $460,000. Okay, so if we take that same market value and you tag a $50,000, $60,000 price tag on it, then you're at about $520,000.
Okay. So that makes this more doable.
They're asking $522,000.
Oh, I
Now-
gotta find $2 more thousand.
Mike and I are gonna step outside. Y'all take some time, talk about it. It's a
Okay.
lot to consider. Come on, y'all just
Okay.
let us know if you have any questions.
I do like this space a lot.
this is nice, but it doesn't replace the 30 years of memory that you
You're right.
have at your home. Do you really want to leave the home when they can do all of this in a place you already have? And did you hear what she said your house would be valued at?
That's something to consider. I may just, fix up my own home.
I think that's
And
what
I know what I have.
I think that's what you should do.
All right.
Is it safe to come in?
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay.
So, Mike, if you can renovate my home and give me all the things that I requested and stay within budget,
Okay.
I think I may stay.
How about we do this?
You made your choice.
How about we do this? Handshake on this. Look, you show up to the first day of demo.
Okay?
I'll make sure we stay within budget.
Oh, I will be
Okay.
there. You got it.
It's good that she decided to stay because I wanted to redo this house anyway. So
I know you
it feels
did.
good.
I know you did. Well, we learned a lot about what her preferences and finishes are. She loved those floors,
Yeah.
right? There were a lot of things to pick up on and take to her home.
Right.
The question is, can we get it all done for $60K?
It's gonna be tricky. I'm so glad Keisha decided to stay. So it's demo day and we are in here about to rock and roll. We're gonna blow out the entire wall in between the living room and the kitchen, get rid of the cabinets, everything is going.
I can't even pick this. Oh no, this is too heavy.
Okay.
All right, there you go.
All right, go for
Okay.
You ready? All right, there's a stud here, go right here.
Ooh.
We gave it a little one. Gave it a little one.
Let your frustrations out. I finally get what I want.
It's therapy, right?
Yes, this is good.
You're doing good. So we're gonna leave you to this. Mark and I are gonna go ahead in the kitchen.
Leave me by myself?
You're fine.
I'm gonna do this whole wall by
You got
myself.
this.
Okay.
Go for it. Keisha,
Yes.
step back. We're gonna help you out a little bit.
Oh, okay, thank you.
All right.
Wow.
Hey! Here she is.
Wow, be careful. Look
So
at that
how's it
wire.
feel already?
All that light coming through?
It looks good.
This is what we call demo feek. We actually leave it just like this. It's a new style. You okay with that?
What is demo feek? What does that mean?
I don't know. I just made that up.
So I came prepared, okay?
Yeah, I like the blue.
So here's what I'm seeing. The kitchen cabinets will be soft gray, but we'll have a slight contrast from the walls in the cabinets. Then throw in some elegant pulls. On the island, I think that's where we can bring in our blue. And then we'll have a white countertop with some beautiful veining. How does that feel to you?
That look good to me.
Then it looks good to me. That's what we do. We are 4 weeks away from Miss Keitra moving back in, and we still have some major work getting done here. We've got sheetrock going up in the bathroom. Uncle Mark and Mike have framed out the new 12-foot island for Keitra's kitchen. And now we need 2 support beams up for this open concept plan to even work. One between the living room and kitchen and one between the dining room and kitchen. So the crew is installing them along with some temporary studs. A lot has happened at Miss Keitra's house this week. We've installed beautiful new tile for the floors in the bathroom. The drywall's going up, flooring's been installed, island and the lower cabinets all in. Check. Right, hold on, I gotta stand here for a minute. Let it dry. While the crew finishes up the bathroom, I want to test the color I was thinking to use on the fireplace. I know Keitra really wanted to go with blue to match the island, so I'm trying out a few tones just to be sure. You know, you always have to test the paint under the light that it's actually gonna be in because it never looks the same as it does on the sample.
Right.
So you wanna test just a hint before you commit to the whole thing. All right, so if that's the color of the island, but this gives us that just cast of gray that ties the cabinets in. It's almost just one color off.
Yeah.
You know?
I'm really liking that.
Yeah, we really don't want it to be too matchy-matchy. So let's go with this one because I think it plays off both the tones that are happening in here.
Cool.
All right, now we gotta get started over here. Let's let it dry. We'll find out for sure.
I can't wait to see the house.
Right, this is so exciting.
Yes, indeed.
Hey!
Good to see you again. I cannot wait to see you.
Shirley.
Hello.
My sister Shirley,
Shirley.
that I've been
Yes.
staying with.
All right, so this is the moment you've been waiting for. You've lived here
Okay.
for how many years?
30 years.
30 years.
Long
Wow.
time.
So I can't wait to see it.
Let's do it.
Let's go see what we did.
Okay, let's see it.
Okay.
All right, bright.
Color.
It's bright.
Love, love, love this. Oh my
Look there, it's so
island.
different.
All right, wow.
All right, open concept. You
It
got
is.
it.
I love this.
We were able to turn 3 tiny cramped spaces, your dining room, living room, and kitchen, into one large open concept space that's breathable and it really speaks to each other. Did you ever think you'd be able to get an island this large in your kitchen?
I did not.
No.
This is huge, but I love it.
I love this. You have a lot of storage. More storage is in my kitchen.
Well, that was our goal. Keitra, do you feel like you're missing that pantry that was right here?
I don't miss it. I have
Absolutely.
plenty of space in here.
Keitra, one of your main things when we were doing demo, you said, I wanted to be able to entertain without feeling like I was blocked.
Yes.
Did this accomplish it?
It did, because I'm in this kitchen cooking all the time. The wall is blocking me. I can't see anybody. And I'm just loving this. And I like that I have storage over here because I can put my items that I don't use that often over here.
Out of season.
So, yes, love it.
So right here, we used to have a wall. You remember that wall?
I remember that one.
Okay. Now, your sister was helping me take that wall down.
Oh, I sure did.
Yeah, I heard about it. I heard about it. She wanted to take some of that wall down.
I know I had to beg to take some of this wall down.
Look at the storage over. What's that over there? 2 wine coolers. Oh, that's what we're talking about. We need some wine over here. I know, right?
Oh, come around here, check out the living room.
Oh, wow. Yes. Oh,
You
the
remember the old
fireplace.
fireplace,
I like that, too. This is great.
It's beautiful. This is beautiful.
We did good, Shirley?
You did excellent.
All right.
We did have a little bit left after doing the kitchen counter, so we brought it over right here to the hearth. Just those little touches.
Yeah.
A man like this can set a homeowner back several $100s. However, by repurposing this counter, you get it for the super low cost of free $99.
Love it.
Now, you love blue, but remember I was saying we don't necessarily want to drown the house in blue because then it does the opposite of what we wanted to do, which is just the complement. Do you feel like you have enough of it?
I think so. I mean, yes, this is just right. It's not too much, not too little.
One more thing. Come on. We have something else
I got
to
something
see.
else. Okay.
Wow. Look at
Oh
that.
my gosh. I like this.
Big difference?
Great. Yeah.
Beautiful.
And I just love this. This is
Oh, look at
good.
the tub.
Oh, yeah.
You said classic.
Yes.
And timeless.
Grandkids love to take a bath.
Yes. These renovations, they just exceeded anything that I could imagine. What stands out the most to me is how open everything is. I love the lighting.
Hey, what's up, what's up?
Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous?
We can make 30 more years and more memories to come.
Let's do it. It's like one big space here, and it's all coming together.
So, the goal when we renovate is obviously you want to get what you want, but not exceed what the neighborhood can bear.
Right.
You don't want to over-renovate.
That's right.
Otherwise, you're wasting money.
That's right.
And what'd you buy this house for?
$116,000.
You bought this house at 116.
That's
Put
right.
$60,000 into it. So 176. And considering a house down the street 3 weeks ago sold for 480.
Wow.
That tells you how much equity you have, and that one was not renovated. So now your house is worth at least 520.
I like it.
But we're not going anywhere,
I love
right?
it as a...
I don't think so. Not
Andre
right
told
now.
me no, she's not moving.
Right.
Our big charge here was to give her back storage that she'd be losing by opening up the house. We gave it back behind the island, gave her tall boy cabinets in the kitchen for plenty of storage.
And your choice to do the curves here, curves there, curves there.
Just little touches.
That worked.
Yeah. So we are gonna skedaddle because we know the rest of your wine club is coming, right? Actually, the rest of the wine club is here.
She got a little one of those photos that pop right out of the pocketbook.
Yeah.
But thank you guys for
Thank
trusting
you.
us. We love you.
For doing this for me.
Shirley, pleasure meeting you.
Oh, nice meeting you too. I look to see you next season.
All right.
I am so glad I chose to renovate this home. It's just gorgeous. It is well beyond my expectations. I love it.